Hi, everyone. I'm super excited to be here today. I'm the general manager of our small business group, and I'll be joined here today by Ashley, who leads our mid-market team, and by David, who leads our services team. Together, we will tell you the story of our incredible vision and progress of the Global Business Solutions Group. We'll cover 3 key points today that I want you to take away that makes us very confident in our trajectory. The first one is that we have a massive opportunity across a large TAM, and we increase our penetration from 5 to 6%. The second is that our all-in-one platform serves as the system of intelligence for our customers to run and grow their business. And last, our platform scales to serve all kinds of businesses, from small to large. Fiscal year 25 was a milestone year for GBSG. We drove 16% total revenue growth, surpassing the $10 billion mark for our franchise. And we scaled to an impressive $11.1 billion in revenue. I'm particularly proud of the meaningful progress we've made on our stated strategy to increase platform adoption and disrupt the mid-market. Look at some of the stats. We grew our online ecosystem revenue by 20%, our money revenue 37%, payroll 25%, and mid-market revenue by 40%. And as we look ahead, we're excited to continue to build on this momentum in fiscal year 26 and beyond. Let's anchor back in our mission, which is to power prosperity around the world. For our team, that means solving small and mid-market businesses' most pressing challenges. We know that every business has similar critical needs, from getting customers to getting paid and staying compliant and organized. Our audiences are broad, and we're serving more customers than ever before across many dimensions of complexity. Small businesses and solopreneurs that are just getting started, all the way to multi-entity, mid-market corporations generating millions of dollars each year and actually growing rapidly. We also serve many business types across industries and geographies. This breadth of customer needs and audiences gives us a massive total addressable market. When you look at the largest opportunities by customer needs, nearly half of it is in money, as all customers need to pay vendors, get paid, and get capital. And then when you look at it by audience, nearly half of it is in mid-market, despite being a relatively small subset in terms of number of customers. This is exactly why accelerating money benefits and fueling success for mid-market are 2 of our 3 big bets. And it's also why the ARPC expansion is key focus of our growth formula. But what does it look for customers today? Small businesses spend a lot of time, and we're spending a lot of time speaking to them and to our small and mid-market customers. And what we hear from them is consistently that they feel overwhelmed, they feel over-digitized, and they have a lot of complexity that they need to manage. Businesses today are making do with fragmented tech stacks, using patchwork of different apps that don't talk to each other. All of this resulting in more time that they spend with their data silos, limited visibility into their financial health, and they actually end up paying more in total cost of ownership to use and integrate all these tools. What businesses really want is a single, connected platform to reduce this complexity and to help them thrive. They want consolidated data, consolidated tech stacks, and consolidated spend. This is exactly our vision and exactly where we come in. Our vision is to be the connected end-to-end platform that small and mid-market businesses rely on every single day to run and grow their business. Our platform powers prosperity by delivering undisputed benefits of more money, no work, and complete confidence. To bring this vision to our customers, we're building a mission-critical, all-in-one platform that serves as the system of intelligence. Our platform solves the complexity for our customers and enables them to run and grow their business. It leverages, like Alex said, a combination of data, AI, and human intelligence, all of it to deliver powerful, done-for-you experiences. The breadth of the offerings in our platform meets the needs of any business, small or large. For small businesses just getting started, we can help them discover the right solutions at the right time. And as businesses grow into the mid-market, our platform is robust enough to grow with them, handling their increased complexity and actually helping them scale. As we mentioned before, this past July, we totally reimagined how customers experience our platform. At the heart of this new experience, it serves all jobs to be done all in one place, with more seamless integrated experiences. It also improving discoverability of our different offerings. It is global and it is mobile, meeting our customers wherever they are. And it is built with done-for-you experiences at the core, powered by both AI and human intelligence. And it introduces new jobs. For example, we brought a powerful CRM capability directly into our platform with Customer Hub. We're seeing solid traction at scale since we launched, with strong engagement across nearly 9 million customers. Now, let's go deeper into some of the different elements of our all-in-one platform and the momentum we're seeing. Let me start by how we're delivering revolutionary done-for-you experience. In a massive launch this past July, we introduced first-of-its-kind virtual team of agents, including accounting agent, payment agent, payroll, customer agent, and more. These AI agents seamlessly embedded across our platform, transforming how customers do their work and grow their business. While this is still early, we're seeing incredible momentum. Customers are twice as fast completing routine tasks, and we're seeing nearly 80% repeat engagement across agents. And what makes these capabilities particularly powerful is their seamless integration with AI-enabled human experts, providing complete confidence. And like we mentioned before, we're seeing momentum here as well, with QuickBooks Live customers doubling since last year. We're also further empowering businesses to understand their financials and run their business with powerful BI and seamless workflows that simplify important tasks like reconciliation and month close, driving better, quicker business decisions and unleashing the growth for our customers. With business intelligence, we help customers to run their business more effectively, highlighting trends, identifying root causes, and even proactively surfacing insights. Our accounting agents does work for customers with impressive accuracy, saving customers 12 hours per month on average. Within our money portfolio, we have a massive opportunity to be the end-to-end money platform of choice, including account receivable, account payable, and capital. We launched exciting new innovations this past year. For example, our payment agent, who helps customers get paid on average 5 days faster. By the way, this is one of our highest repeat usage rates. We have our AI-powered bill ingestion and multi-product lending capabilities. This is just to name a few innovations in our money portfolio. These innovations contributed to our incredible results. Our online money portfolio revenue is now $1.4 billion, and it is up 37% year over year. Our total payment volume is now $174 billion, and it is up 34% year over year. Within Workforce Solutions, our vision is to power prosperity for employers and their teams by reimagining how they work and grow. This year, we delivered 25% growth in online payroll revenue. We served more than 18 million employees and processed over $300 billion of payroll. We launched new innovations here as well, like our payroll agent to streamline workforce management. We also acquired a company called GoCo in Q3 of fiscal year 25. This acquisition enabled us to deliver a more comprehensive workforce solutions suite with robust human capital management included, especially for mid-market customers with large and growing teams. Let's talk about MailChimp. MailChimp represents the marketing job in our platform. It helps SMB to get, grow, and manage customers. While we're constructively dissatisfied with our results in fiscal year 25, we made foundational progress this year. In product, for example, we released multiple innovations, including improved SMS offering, and we have seen and continue to see great adoption. Customers that are using it are spending 76% more with us on average. On the go-to-market side, we improved our motions, and we focused on high-value mid-market customers. Sales productivity doubled in July when you compare it to April. Looking ahead, we're focused on 3 key areas to build momentum throughout the year: our product, go-to-market, and our platform experience. First, we're going to enhance our product. We're introducing improved segmentation, campaign management, and omnichannel communication that includes SMS, WhatsApp, and transactional emails. Second, our go-to-market motions. We're refreshing our marketing, we're improving sales and onboarding of customers, and we're also investing in integration with a few strategic partners. And finally, our end-to-end platform experience. We're deepening our platform workflows and driving awareness and engagement of the marketing and CRM jobs. All of it unlocking the abilities for SMBs to get, grow, and manage customers within our platform. Overall, I'm proud of the progress we made and feel confident in our plan to achieve double-digit MailChimp revenue growth by fiscal year 26 exit. Together, these platform innovations are successfully bringing our vision to life. With them, our all-in-one platform is delivering undisputed benefit. You can see some of it on the screen here. And AI and human intelligence are expected to create meaningful long-term acceleration for Intuit, benefiting our shareholders as well. Let me start by reminding you about the direct monetization actions we've already taken. Our AI agents are delivering incredible customer benefits. And when we launched them in July, we actually increased the price for our SKUs to reflect that enhanced value. As we look ahead, we expect to further monetize our AI and human intelligence capabilities in a few key ways. The first one is to increase platform adoption. Our AI agents and human expert can help customers discover relevant offerings across the platform. The second one is to improve SKU mix and upgrades. We were very intentional, including agents across our SKUs, with customers able to unlock more agents and more capabilities with higher SKUs. The third, it actually helps with customer growth. Our AI and live experts revolutionizing speed to benefit for our customers and expecting to drive funnel and retention improvements. And finally, we will continue to monetize directly. When I take a step back and look at the amazing innovations and results we delivered this past year, I'm so proud of what the team has accomplished. And we're so excited that our all-in-one AI-driven expert platform is so clearly resonating with our customers. It gives us a lot of confidence in our opportunity to build on this momentum ahead. And with that, we'd like to bring this platform experience to life for you. And for that, I'd like to invite David on stage for our first demo. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Marianna. That was great. As Marianna highlighted, customers want more money, less work, and the complete confidence to grow. We've delivered that through an all-in-one platform that brings together the key jobs that businesses do every day. And it's all powered by connected data, AI, plus human expertise. Now, this July, we updated QuickBooks with design, automation, and business insights to make running a business easier. And to show you just how much has changed, I'm actually going to start with the old version. Our old design was anchored on accounting and didn't offer visibility and easy navigation to our leading services like payroll and payments. In fact, 70% of our prospective customers didn't even know we offered payroll, and 65% didn't know that we offered payments. And this is despite the fact that we are the largest SMB payroll provider, and despite the fact that we do 174 billion of charge volume. The new QuickBooks experience changes all of that. It's a transformative, all-in-one platform to manage the entire lead-to-cash journey, limiting the need for separate apps. So let me take you through that experience that Marianna showed a little bit earlier. First, the app carousel. It makes discovering our offerings easier than ever. And this includes our newest offering, the Customer Hub, which brings CRM directly into the platform. Next, with Intuit's AI front and center, customers soon can ask anything, and our platform will get it done. By harnessing the full power of our platform, we're going to deliver more than just answers. Our customers have seamless access to AI agents and human experts. And we also deliver detailed insights and recommendations on data across our platform, as well as any data that's uploaded into our platform for richer insights. The business feed is a real-time source of truth, summarizing what matters most. And soon, a daily summary of what is most important to our customers will be delivered directly to their phone. The dynamic dashboard is a fully customizable, giving businesses real-time insights into what matters most. And as we step back, the results are clear. Customers are unlocking next-level efficiency and growth. Millions of customers have already used our AI agents, enabling them to complete routine tasks twice as fast. Now, let's bring all this to life through Alejandra, who owns a construction business with $2 million in revenue and 6 employees. She's focused on modernizing her operations, reducing manual work, and gaining insights to fuel her revenue growth. And yet, high-quality insights can be hard to come by for many business owners. You heard earlier, they're increasingly experimenting with AI, but the tools they're trying lack real-time access to their own data, and certainly don't have the advantage of data for businesses like theirs. By harnessing our all-in-one platform, combining data and decades of experience, we cut through all the noise and deliver clear, actionable guidance. Coming soon, Alejandra's experience will change with our AI-powered chat experience. And I'm going to show you that right now. Alejandra opens up QuickBooks and starts a chat to see how she can improve her profitability. Since Alejandra is on our platform, we're able to analyze her data, as well as compare it to businesses like hers. We can then highlight the key drivers that impact her profitability, her revenue, and her expenses. In Alejandra's case, material costs and labor costs stand out as the key drivers of higher spend. both higher than her peers, pulling her profit margin below businesses like hers. Alejandra wants to lower her material costs, so she uploads her vendor pricing list. After scanning and comparing the vendor pricing list, we break down pricing across her vendors and provide actionable insights to reduce cost. Now that Alejandra has identified ways to lower her material costs, she wants to turn her attention to labor costs, and she asks what to do. We analyze her numbers, showing that overtime currently makes up a significant part of her spend compared to similar businesses, and give her some insights into how she can control her overtime. Now, to ensure that she has a clear sense of what steps to take next, we suggest a summary. She asks to include last year's data in the summary, and she receives a clear prioritized set of key steps powered by her data and that of similar businesses, showing that her profit margins are projected to increase. And if she wants extra confidence, we proactively surface the option to connect with an AI-enabled human expert, ready to develop an actionable plan. And this is the power of AI and human intelligence all in one place. By harnessing the full power of the platform and leveraging the 625,000 customer and financial attributes that we referenced earlier for every small business, we're bringing all their data together in one place so that it's always up to date. Now, the biggest problem for small businesses is actually getting and growing customers. On our platform, small businesses already manage 3.5 billion customer records, making us one of the largest customer management systems around. But they couldn't add all the data they needed. Things like lead status, notes, full metadata. With our customer hub, we're going to give them exactly what they want: CRM capabilities inside of QuickBooks. Soon, they'll be able to manage their entire lead-to-cash journey all in one place. Let's see how Alejandra's experience will change with the customer agent while she's in between site visits. The customer agent alerts her to 5 new leads across her channels. She reviews, and she can see the leads are clearly organized, making it easy for her to prioritize. She clicks into Derek's profile, a promising lead from Gmail who's looking for a kitchen remodel. A customer agent will auto-draft a response for her, and they land a time to meet. Now, during the site visit, she can capture photos and even audio notes directly into Derek's profile. And then with one tap, she can create an estimate. This is auto-filled with all the context from her previous emails, from her notes, as well as data we have about previous services she's offered and prices she's offered previously. Then she sends it to Derek, and he approves. After the work is complete, Alejandra can easily convert it to an invoice and send it over to Derek. Derek receives the invoice via email on his phone, and because he previously saved his payments information when he worked with another QuickBooks customer, his invoice is ready to pay with one click. Now, this is important. Alejandra and Derek are benefiting from the fact that we have more than 60 million saved wallets on our platform with credit card data and bank data. This lets our customers offer seamless checkout to their customers, which of course boosts conversion. So with one tap, he can pay. Alejandra gets notified, and the money is in her account. We're building the entire lead-to-cash workflow directly into QuickBooks. Everything from generating leads to estimates to e-signatures, proposals, and payments, it will all be in one place. This makes every touch point an opportunity for revenue and long-term growth. And for customers who need advanced marketing, they can connect their data seamlessly with MailChimp. So from one platform, they can launch engaging emails, SMS messages, or even full omnichannel campaigns. Now, let's switch gears. Paying and managing employees is critical to growth, but payroll is time-consuming. We hear it over and over again from our customers. 70% report chasing missing data, and many customers talk about how they spend 80+ hours a year on payroll and taxes. We pay out over $330 billion annually to 18 million workers through our payroll offering. And with that scale, we've built a payroll agent that can take on the heavy lifting, turning a painful, error-prone process into a seamless, automated workflow. Let's see how the payroll agent works for Alejandra with her preferred format, which is simple text messages. The payroll agent reaches out via text to Ted, Alejandra's construction manager, to collect the hours that he worked this week. It automatically translates those texts into structured payroll-ready data. No manual entry required. And it can notice anomalies. In this case, Ted didn't provide hours for Wednesday, so it can automatically follow up. And once the data is in, the payroll agent texts Alejandra a summary of the total payroll and asks if she's ready to run it. Alejandra simply replies yes. And in seconds, payroll is complete. With the payroll agent, Alejandra no longer wastes hours chasing data or worrying about errors. Payroll is not only faster, it's proactive, it's automated, and it's ready to run the next cycle. That means that Alejandra can focus less time on admin work and more time growing her business. The all-in-one platform I just showed you serves our small businesses, and it's the foundation for our mid-market customers you're going to hear about shortly. By consolidating their tech stack and data, we unlock insights, automate workflows, reduce spend, and drive higher ROI. Customers avoid paying for redundant apps like payroll and payments and CRM. And we deliver done-for-you experiences through AI and experts, freeing them to focus on growth. Our vision is clear: to be the connected end-to-end platform our customers rely on every day to run and grow their business. And customers choose us because we save them time, we lower their cost, and we give them the confidence to make better decisions every day. Thank you. And with that, I'd like to bring up Ashley Still.
Thank you, David. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Good? I am so excited to be here leading our mid-market business and the massive opportunity that we are executing on. As Marianna shared, we had an exceptional year in the mid-market group, growing revenue 40% year over year. We grew mid-market customers 23% year over year to nearly 350,000. Our IAS average revenue per contract is 27,000, and we nearly doubled the average revenue of customers that are upgrading from within our franchise. And IAS launched just 1 year ago. So this early traction that we're seeing really underscores the strong demand that we have for our all-in-one platform. When we think about our mid-market opportunity, we're focused primarily on 2 segments: emerging mid-market businesses with revenue in the single-digit millions, and larger mid-market businesses with revenue ranging from 10 to over 100 million. These companies are under or overserved in the market today, which gives Intuit a huge white space opportunity. And 800,000 mid-market customers are already using our core QBO offerings. So we're deepening penetration of the massive $89 billion TAM by upselling our existing customers to offerings that are right for them, tailored to their size, business needs, and complexity. And while our current focus is $2.5 to $100 million plus, we are absolutely not limiting ourselves. We're going after larger customers and ensuring our platform scales as our focus expands. I want to spend a minute on the challenges that mid-market businesses face. Sasan and Marianna both spoke about the issues with over-digitization and the massive problems, whether it's data silos, limited visibility, and high total cost of ownership that this creates for businesses. And as businesses grow, these issues actually become even more pronounced because they have more customers, they have more employees, they have more vendors, they have more entities. And so businesses add more and more apps to try to manage this complexity, but it actually ends up exacerbating this over-digitization. To address this, we've expanded our all-in-one platform with advanced capabilities so that businesses can grow to 100 million and beyond. Importantly, this means customers can grow with Intuit, whether with Advanced or with IAS. Take a small business that starts on QBO Essentials. As the businesses grow in size and needs, that business can seamlessly upgrade to Advanced. And when they hit hypergrowth with multiple operating entities, industry-specific needs, more invoices, more bills, more employees to manage, IAS is there for them with an intuitive interface, simple onboarding experience, and lower cost of ownership. Gone are the days when growing your business means needing to migrate off of the Intuit platform. As I mentioned, we launched IAS just 1 year ago. It is a modern AI-powered ERP without the cost and complexity that comes with legacy ERPs. First, it's an all-in-one platform with integrated workflows from accounting to AR to AP to workforce, all the workflows that mid-market businesses need, all working together. It has robust multi-entity capabilities, advanced AI-powered automation that takes the power of AI and HI to the next level, and real-time business insights that actually help businesses make decisions on how to grow and where to invest. And finally, I cannot emphasize enough the power of the IAS experience. It's an intuitive interface familiar to anyone that's used QuickBooks. I've talked to so many customers who tell me they are afraid of their ERP. They're not afraid of IAS. The Intuit platform also gives us innovation velocity. We've had 3 major releases since launch, releasing new agents and over 80 features, and we are just getting started. We win on experience, price, and total cost of ownership, and we're seeing momentum build rapidly. We're achieving impressive annual revenue per contract, and we doubled new build IAS customers in Q4 versus Q3 of 2025. Now, I want to highlight some of the key differentiators that are resonating with customers. In the last few months, I've spent a lot of time engaging with mid-market businesses, whether it's the business owners themselves, the finance leaders, and their accounting partners. And they consistently tell me that they struggle to make informed business decisions. The reason why is they don't have a reliable, accurate, and real-time consolidated view across their entire business. IAS is built to solve this pain point, and it has what we call multi-everything at its core. So first, there's multi-entity consolidation. This means no more hours manually entering data across 10 different platforms, no more troubleshooting all the errors from manually entering data across all of these interfaces. And it's not just about better accounting. Business owners get the real-time consolidated view that they need to run their business. Next, IAS delivers multidimensional reporting without complexity. This means it's easy to get reports and insights by the unique dimensions of your business. So let's take an example. Take P&L. A real estate company wants to view their P&L often by location. A construction company would want to view their P&L by project, and a nonprofit by program or grant. And this is what the multi-dimension capabilities in IAS enable. And finally, there's multi-user capabilities. As businesses grow, employees have to have access to the appropriate data and insights for their role. No more, no less. Going back to the real estate example, a CEO can now grant their regional leads access to only their regional data and maintain separation across regions and at the broader company roll-up. IAS's multi-everything is the aha moments for so many of our customers and our prospects. The average IAS customer has 4 to 6 entities, and these capabilities are the core driver of efficiency, improved decision-making, and faster performance that fuel their growth. Next, in addition to the agents and done-for-you experiences that Marianna highlighted, IAS has even more powerful and sophisticated agents. First, there's a project management agent, which obviously is incredibly relevant to industries that are project-based, that tracks profitability and automates workflows. It reduces manual project work by up to 60%. Next, imagine if finance teams could automatically summarize their monthly performance. I've worked with many FP&A professionals for a long time. They all want this. This is what the finance agent delivers. It also offers predictive analyses so teams can make better strategy decisions. And we are redefining what truly seamless onboarding means with done-for-you implementation. In IAS, we've seen our customers take a 90% take rate on our new automated setup workflows and experiences. So our customers are getting value quickly from the agentic experiences in IAS. As you've seen, we have tremendous product value and innovation in IAS, and we are accelerating our go-to-market motions to capitalize on this momentum and the opportunity that we have. Our go-to-market engine is both enterprise-grade and highly efficient. It's built on 3 pillars: high-touch sales and customer success, robust accounting partnerships, and disruptive industry playbooks. The efficiency and velocity we're building with our direct go-to-market is truly remarkable after being in market for just 1 year, especially in the last few months since I've onboarded to the team. We're building a world-class sales and customer success team, and the first-year results are impressive. Our seller productivity more than doubled in Q4 versus Q3. Our average sales cycle is less than 8 weeks, which is a fraction of typical enterprise sales cycles. And we're winning large customers. Half of IAS contracts are with customers with 10 million or more in revenue. We've also signed significant deals with even larger customers. So we recently signed a deal with a customer with over 200 entities, proof that we can serve even more complex customer needs. And if a customer is not ready for IAS, we're successfully moving them to advanced and driving more adoption of platform services. So we are not starting from scratch. We have deep customer insights from our large installed base that helps us efficiently target and serve our mid-market customers. So now let's talk about accountants. Accountants are critical to the success of mid-market businesses. In fact, over 80% of mid-market QBO customers work with an external accountant. So we are scaling our partnership with the accountant community, and we're seeing strong early results. In the last 6 months, we saw a 2x increase in accountant-driven IAS deals. And what's really important is accounting firms are transforming their own practices to deliver high-value services, and we view ourselves as their trusted partner in this transformation. IAS is strategic for accounting firms because our all-in-one platform enables them to shift from doing the work to delivering insights. So we're structuring our partnerships with large accounting firms to deliver joint value to mutual clients, fully using our platform, and reducing manual work, streamlining applications, and enabling these accounting partners to deliver truly high-value business advice. Finally, I want to highlight our progress in unlocking key verticals with scalable playbooks. As I mentioned, we know these customers. Intuit is already a trusted brand of choice across these focus industries. So we speak to customers in their language. We lead with their use cases. And we support all of this with powerful customer testimonials and proof points that are relevant to their industry and their business. We also meet them where they are, whether it's online or in person, from podcasts to trade shows. And incredibly importantly, we onboard them with industry best practices so that they realize value in 30 days. This is the core of our industry marketing and sales approach, and it's supported by industry-specific product capabilities. And it's working. More than 40% of our deals in 2025 were in these focus verticals that really show the product market fit that we have and the impact of these industry go-to-market motions. Sasan talked about this earlier, but it bears reinforcement. We win on 3 things. We deliver best-in-class experience, disruptive price, and lower total cost of ownership. Legacy ERPs are infamous for being slow, expensive, having incredibly high implementation failure rates, and being very complex and expensive to maintain. IAS disrupts this paradigm. We get you up and running with done-for-you implementation. 95% of our customers are up and running in 30 days and realizing value. And they save up to $50,000 upfront just on implementation. For many, this is a year or more in licensing fees. And the ROI is clear. As Sasan mentioned, Forrester recently conducted a study and found IAS yields 300% projected ROI over 3 years. And this is driven by the efficiency in critical jobs to be done, like accounting, payroll, and invoicing, the faster business growth that they enjoy from improved decision-making, and technology cost savings from streamlining all of these back-end systems that they currently have onto IAS. To bring this to life, I want to highlight 2 customers and how IAS is delivering tangible benefits for them. First, meet Marcia. She's the co-founder of Humble House Foods, and they manufacture and retail specialty sauces. She started using QuickBooks 13 years ago and recently upgraded to IAS as her business scaled to a new 10,000 square foot facility and 3 business entities. She has told us that IAS is saving her 24 hours a month. That is 3 full business days because of the consolidated multi-entity capabilities and reporting that she now has. This is absolutely invaluable time that she can reinvest in growing her business faster. Next, meet Chad. He's the CEO of Cornerstone Development Company that operates 5 business entities across construction, environmental consulting, and engineering. He's used QuickBooks for the last 8 years and has already moved with us from desktop to QBO Advanced, and as of last year, also moved up to IES. Before IES, he ran multiple software systems and had to type the same information 7 times into different systems for a single project. 7 times. That is a complete waste of time. Now with IAS, he has been able to grow his business, and he's actually saved on hiring 2 additional employees and canceled all the unnecessary apps and add-ons. So he's simplifying his tech stack and saving money. As I said, we're just getting started. Nothing is more motivating than hearing firsthand how IAS is improving how our customers work and grow their business, and I couldn't be more excited to accelerate this momentum. Before I welcome David back on stage to demo some of these disruptive mid-market experiences, I want to close with the same 3 takeaways that we started with, which gives us enormous confidence in the global business platform trajectory. We have a large TAM with significant runway. Our all-in-one platform is the system intelligence for our customers, and our platform seamlessly scales to solve the complex needs of mid-market businesses. And with that, please help me welcome David back to the stage.
Thank you, Ashley. Hello, everyone, again. I'm back. I'm back to share the latest innovations for our mid-market customers. As you heard from Ashley, it's been just 1 year since the launch of Intuit Enterprise Suite, and that's where I'm going to focus today. Intuit Enterprise Suite is the all-in-one platform that fuels mid-market business growth. And to do the demo, I'm going to bring us back to Alejandra, but it's years later. She has strategically acquired some specialty contractors since we saw her last, like renewable energy and masonry across several cities. She's brought some trades in-house, she's expanded markets, and she's grown her business to more than 25 million in revenue. With more than 50 employees, multiple entities, dozens of projects, her operations are now far more complex than they used to be. The increasing size and complexity of her business brings with it some very specific challenges. Managing multiple entities with no consolidated view of overall performance, slicing data by dimensions or key attributes of the business, more employees, which requires roles-based access, and siloed data across many separate point solutions. So to address these challenges, Alejandra is ready to seamlessly upgrade to Intuit Enterprise Suite, where growing with Intuit is simple with minimal disruption. She starts by scheduling a call to connect with her customer success manager, who can help her understand her business needs and her structure. She's excited about the IES offering, so she signs the contract, and it's time to get her set up. Now on the back end, all of her QBO accounts seamlessly migrate over to IES. And then her customer success manager can help get her set up with the rest of the platform: payroll, bill pay, and payments. And now she's ready to go with the full platform. And as you heard from Ashley, this isn't unique to Alejandra. 95% of IES customers are fully set up and running within 30 days. By comparison, as you heard, a legacy ERP would take 6 months, cost $50,000, and still only have a 50% chance of success. And for customers that are new to our franchise, we're tailoring onboarding with a dedicated set of professional services designed to ensure seamless transition with minimal downtime. This is what growing with Intuit looks like: fast, simple onboarding, and a clear reason why we win. So the team now has access to Intuit Enterprise Suite. It has the familiar look and feel of QuickBooks that Alejandra's team loves. But it's a powerful, modern ERP with the enhanced functionality needed for efficient and scalable operations. The CFO starts with a done-for-you implementation that creates a customized onboarding experience by vertical. One area is dimensions. Now, dimensions are the different ways to slice and view a business by portfolio, region, department, company, understanding performance at any level of detail. They review and approve with one click. Next, they see the multi-entity view of the entire business. Now, this is the consolidated portfolio-wide view they have been looking for. Gone are the hours spent manually reconciling and consolidating data in spreadsheets. And the team can toggle seamlessly between this big picture view and the individual entities themselves. Now, they've also been looking to get a better view on how they're performing. Because their dimensions are set up during implementation, when they click on their profit and loss, they can break it down by company and region, giving them the granular categorizations to drill down and understand performance. And because this is a full platform, multi-entity and dimensions flow across everything: payroll, bill pay, payments, giving Alejandra and her team the complete view of their business, all the way down to the transaction level. Now, construction businesses like Alejandra have industry-specific workflows. Think things like milestone-based billing or project-level job costing. Without these vertical capabilities, businesses like hers have to cobble together many discrete apps and manually combine data in spreadsheets. Fortunately, IES provides these vertical capabilities right out of the box for project-based businesses like construction, financial, and professional services. So let's see how a project manager on our team leverages IES along with the project management agent to automate their workflow and more accurately track project profitability. The project manager logs into IES to look at the project overview page. They can easily see all of their projects at a glance, making it simple to manage progress and easily spot things that require attention. A mid-market company like Horizon Construction, they get hundreds of bills per week. But here, the project management agent has already identified the 20 transactions specific to the Hate project. So when they click in, the project management agent streamlines the project cost allocation and reduces errors by leveraging the data that's on our platform. So with just a click, the product manager approves them all in under 1 minute. When they navigate back to the project overview, actual income versus cost updates instantly, giving a live view of profitability per project. And because IES is multi-user with roles-based access built in, bills are automatically routed to the CFO for approval and eventually for payment. The result is 30+ hours a week saved, reviewing, approving, paying, reconciling transactions, one by one across entities. Now, for most mid-market businesses, forecasting is a real challenge, and that's because their data is scattered between apps and entities. Finance teams spend months stitching this together, 70% saying that planning takes too long. Others are paying thousands of dollars for separate reporting tools, and yet they still lack the real-time insights in the systems they use. With Intuit Enterprise Suite, the finance agent will automate real-time performance reporting and make scenario planning simple. So let's take a look. It's year-end, and the CFO logs into IES and asks to summarize year-end financials. The finance agent, powered by our financial expertise, as well as agentic technology, analyzes data across entities to deliver a clear financial summary of income and expenses. The agent also highlights key insights and reinvestment opportunities. Now, the CFO wants to see options for reinvesting the additional cash that's been called out here. The finance agent analyzes the impact on sales of purchasing new equipment versus spending on a new marketing campaign based on historic information as well as industry benchmarks. The agent also provides 2 scenarios for consideration. The first, reinvesting in new equipment. And the second, investing in a new marketing campaign. It's then able to calculate the potential ROI for each of these scenarios. And finally, at the CFO's request, it can update the scenario to focus only on one region, the West region. It then generates a strategic summary, includes the option chosen by the CFO, and supporting rationale that the CFO can easily download and share. So let's recap. Intuit Enterprise Suite lets customers run their business on one platform. IES is a modern AI-powered ERP. We win because of a best-in-class experience, a disruptive price for value, and a lower total cost of ownership for our customers. This positions us to unlock the mid-market, our biggest opportunity yet. With IES, we're not just serving mid-market businesses, we're redefining it with a modern ERP designed for growth. Now, you've seen the innovation we're bringing across our business platform today, but we haven't even touched on what's next, our Intuit Accountant Suite. This will transform the way that accountants run their firm and recommend Intuit, driving an important network effect. Suzanne briefly touched on this earlier, but please stay tuned in the months ahead.